Speaker Pantaleon Alvarez na siya po ang presidente po ng Partido Reforma. Andito po yung ating mahal na mayor ng Davao City, si Mayor Baste. Mahal nating mayor ng Cebu, si Mayor Mike Rama. At ang presidente natin sa PDP, number 1 Senator, Senator Robin Hood Padilla. At ang chairman ng Federalismo Dugong Dakilang Sambayanan, si Chairman Greco Belhicay, na dito rin. Ang presidente ng MRD, NECC, na siyang nag-umpisa para kumbinsing tumakbo ang dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte noong 2015. Nandito si Atty. Franklin Quijano, kaibigan ko po yan. At yung mga iba pa pong mga national officials na nandyan po sa harap na nakaupo, hindi ko na po sila banggitin ng isa-isa. Excited po kayo lahat na masilayan muli ang dating Pangulong Digong Duterte. Duterte!
Please welcome our former President, Rodrigo Roa Duterte, and the National Chairperson of Partido Democratico Pilipino. Please stand and give a round of applause.
Duterte! Andyan din ang ating mahal na Senador, Senator Bongo. Kasama rin po si Philip Salvador na nandito.
Ikaw ang mataahon.
Si Senator Bato ay parating pa lamang. At kasama rin po si dating Executive Secretary Bingbong Mejaldea at yung mga iba pang mataas na opisyal, siyempre yung ating Vice Chairman ng partido, si former Secretary Alfonso Cusi. The PDP Laban National Assembly.
Hawat kamay tayo para sa pagkasenso.
Ayan, palakpakan po natin. That signals the start of our National Assembly. May I ask everyone to please stand up. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Please remain standing. I call now on Attorney Yvette Contacto for the recitation of the PDP Laban Tree.
Today, in this important endeavor,
dapat nga mapigilan.
All members, please, all PDP Laban members, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I commit myself to a peaceful and democratic way of life to ensure the establishment and maintenance of a Filipino society characterized by freedom, solidarity, justice, equity, social, and intergenerational responsibility, self-reliance, efficiency, enlightened nationalism.
Thank you, Attorney Yvette. You can sit down. Please occupy your seats if you have available seats. Yung pong wala pong maupuan, pasensya na po kayo. Talagang SRO tayo ngayon dito sa PDP Laban National Assembly. Palakpakan po natin ang ating sarili. Mr. Chairman, at this juncture, nakahanda na po yung mga members po ng PDP Laban para sa pagpupulong natin itong gaganapin nating National Assembly.
Para sa pagbabago, nawa na ang bayan ko.
A'udhu billahi minasyaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mga mahal na kasama at kapatid, dahil tayo po ay kumpleto na sa konbensyon na ito, aking pong formal na binubuksan ang ating pagpupulong.
Ikaw ang mag-aahon.
I am now directing the Secretary General Attorney Amy Torrefranca Neri to establish the presence of a quorum.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. May I call Madam Chairperson for membership, former Undersecretary Astravel Pimentel Naik, kindly inform the body of today's attendance and if we have a quorum.
We have sent out invitations to 700 individuals to represent the chapters all over the Philippines. We are required to only have 40% quorum to have an official quorum in this assembly. Right now, we have more than 1,200 delegates who arrived. We have 80% of our national officers and National Council Assembly, National Council members attendees. So we have reached more than the quorum, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chairman, we have a quorum.
At this point, to facilitate the conduct of the National Assembly, I am appointing Secretary Alcosi, PDP National Vice Chairman, to continue Secretary Raul Lambino, PDP Vice President for External Affairs, as moderator for this National Assembly. If there's no objection, then we proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Secretary Alfonso Cusi is hereby appointed to continue with the presiding the meeting, while Secretary Raul Lambino is hereby appointed as the Assembly moderator.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman, Section. Nakakatuwa naman ngayong gabing ito na napakarami ng attendees natin. We were not expecting to have this kind of attendance tonight. And I congratulate everybody. Napapakita natin ang suporta natin sa ating partido.
And I gladly accept this position. Gusto ko lang din malaman nyo na kung bakit ako sumali sa partido natin. Kasi unang-una sa lahat, baka kailangan yung matanda, kay puro bata yung nakikita ko dito. Pero nung narinig ko, nagsialisan yung mga membro ng PDP Laban, inisip ko, I thought to myself, then this must be a good opportunity para sumali because it has been filtered. So yung mga natitira dito ngayon, yun yung may mga bayag. Kasi kung gusto talaga natin na may tunay na pagbabago, kailangan ang paninindigan ng tao, ng isang individual. So, ang mahal nating Pilipinas. Hindi ko na ipataasin pa kasi marami pa tayong item sa agenda. Again, welcome. And again, I'm very thankful for having me as your Executive Vice President. Thank you and good evening.
Wow! Palakpakan muli natin ang ating Executive Vice President, Mayor Baste Duterte. Before we proceed to the other items of the agenda, let me acknowledge also the presence of former Secretary Wendell Abisado, who is now going to be inducted as one of our top officials of PDP in a matter of time.